Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. Once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on it you should see XIAOMI Smart Band 8 active. Once you see it, scroll down and find this category or button, Manage Band Displays. Tap on it, and right here we have the online store, and we can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the one you like, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it. And once you select the watch face, you can tap on Apply. It will start downloading and installing. And once it's done, it will be applied on your smartband. You can also check the list of watch faces you downloaded by tapping on the My Band Displays right here. You have the list of the watch faces. You can tap on them. You can also remove them by tapping on the delete button, and if you tap on delete, they will be removed from your smartband. Okay, now we can close the app, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.